Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we're going to do science experiment number 31, which is stuck glasses. For that we need rubber band, matchsticks, so that's why please use an adult supervision in this. The third thing we need is two glasses of the same size. So in this we need to make the rubber rings dry and put it on top of one glass. After that, we need to hurry up and put the burning paper inside the glass and then very fastly put the other glass on it. After 30 minutes, you will notice that the glasses have gotten stuck. This is because the burning paper makes lower pressure inside the glasses and the air pressure around the glass is higher. That's why it gets stuck. So let's see the result. Now the paper is maybe catching fire. Let's see. I think that we need to put more matchsticks. So let's wait about 30 minutes and see the result. Hi guys, now as you can see that it can hardly move. So it will take a lot of pressure to open these two glasses. And I told you why this happened, so bye.